Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Webull app and remove crypto trades. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Webull app from your device, begin by locating the app on your home screen. For iOS devices, press and hold the Webull app icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the options presented. Then, tap on Delete App to confirm the uninstallation. For Android devices, press and hold the Webull app icon. Drag the icon to the uninstall option that appears at the top of the screen. Release the icon to uninstall the app. Now, let's proceed to remove your crypto trades. Open the Webull app before uninstalling it, and log into your account. Navigate to the Markets tab at the bottom of the screen. Select cryptocurrency from the available options. Choose the specific crypto asset you wish to sell. Tap on the Sell button next to the chosen asset. Enter the amount you want to sell and confirm the transaction. Repeat this process for any other crypto trades you wish to remove. Once all trades are settled, ensure you've checked your portfolio to confirm everything is accurate. After confirming your trades, you can return to uninstalling the app if you haven't already done so. This completes the process of uninstalling the Webull app and removing your crypto trades. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.